Oh, y'all on YouTube, this is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today we have a very special unboxing. I'm going to be getting something in here from Urban Cutlery and Lifestyle Shop. I happen to have found this and kind of excited, so let's take a look. All right, today I'm opening up with my ProTech Mordax. This is my button lock here. One of my favorite button locks I've had for the longest time until, well, recently I got another one. And that one's kind of my favorite right now, but still love this. This is a classic for me. Let's see if we got it in there. All right, what do we have? Oh, do we have a receipt? Hold on a second. All right. So we have, looks like a ProTech and a flashlight. That's cool. Nice. Like the peanuts. We'll save those for another packaging. What is the note? Thank you for your support. Okay. Very cool. All right, so we have a ProTech here. What do we have? I don't know. Let's take a look. Kind of cool, a little light there. That's neat. Wonder if they include that with all their packages. It's going to look familiar, like something I recently bought and might have sold. But it's something I wanted because the other one is a little slippery for me. So this is a ProTech TR-3. This is the Integrity, which is the button lock version. So let's see. Yeah, those thumb studs are still super crazy sharp. Don't like that. Nice and dead centered. How are we on there? Much better texture. Definitely much better. Yeah. Gonna have to fix that though. Yeah, I do like that. I like that clip. Still that goofy looking clip. Wonder if I can replace that. Definitely better texture. I do like that a lot. Not as sharp right there, so that's one positive. But man, they got to fix their thumb studs. They're horrible. They're actually quite sharp. And totally unacceptable. What the heck? I mean, I can scrape my skin off and stuff. It's as sharp as a knife. My gosh. All right. Very cool. Very cool. Dead center. Everything is exactly the same as the other one. The difference is we got texture, which makes a big difference, right? And then you have S35VN blade steel. That's CPM crucible. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put some skiffs in there. All right. So this is a hex bit. So let's see what fits in there. All right. So that one fits in there. Is it the same size over here? No, maybe this one. Like an in-between size. Maybe that's the size. I don't know. We'll also need the file because I think that's a torque bit. I'm not sure. All right, that seems to work okay. Now we're going to have to clean up here a little bit, but I'll probably skip through that. It's always a little sticky in the beginning. It is getting better, so we'll see how that goes. This was super sharp again. I need to probably reach out to ProTech and let them know. Very disappointing how sharp that is. Don't remember any other button locks being like that, so that's yeah, that's a bummer. Wish that wasn't the case, but it is what it is, right? All right, everything's nice and round. It got some nice texture. Just like my Mordex with the honeycomb, this has more of the square pattern, but kind of layered. I mean, I don't know, it gives it a different, unique look with the light reflecting shadows. All right, very good. Like this a lot. Very cool. Yeah, this is better. I actually can get a little grip on this one. The other one was a little too slippery. Did not care for that. It's very sharp there. Sorry, I'm spending a lot of time on that just because I want it to be comfortable. And I already had one of these that wasn't. I mean, it was. I got it comfortable. Works great. But it didn't have this texture, and I really wanted the texture. I think it's definitely worth the texture. So we'll probably zoom through. There'll be not a whole lot to this video. It's just be an unboxing, install some skiffs, put it back together again, and kind of get an idea where we're at. So very cool. Yeah, it's the ProTech TR-3 Integrity. It's the manual button lock. Hey, if you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, or informative, would you please consider hitting the like button down below? And if you've already hit the like button, would you please consider hitting the subscribe button? Subscribing and liking the videos really helps out the channel, allows the channel to produce more content, do more things, ultimately do more things for you guys. So a big thank you. Thank you to everyone who watches the videos, who likes the videos, who enjoys the content, is part of the live streams, part of the community. I sure appreciate you. Thank you. And also a big shout out, thank you to my channel members. I appreciate you guys. Your support has allowed me to do a lot of things that I thought I'd never get a chance to do, and also encourages me many times when, I don't know, I just don't feel like giving up. So I appreciate you guys. You guys are instrumental. And you've been generous to me and to the channel, so I want to be generous back to you. I do a once-a-month members exclusive giveaway. We have a regular giveaway each week for everybody, but for the members, it's a once-a-month members giveaway. It's a small token of my appreciation, and thank you for that. So, yeah, appreciate you guys. Also, the other thing I do is I also give out new channel member stickers. So if you're a brand new channel member, email me with your name and address. I'd love to mail you a sticker. It's my way to say thank you. Thank you for all you've done. Again, I appreciate you guys, you know, watching all of this. It means the world to me. So thank you. Thank you to everyone out there. We love you, appreciate you, and yeah, thanks. If you haven't already, maybe check me out over on Instagram at Robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at Robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week.